Hi everyone. Today we'll be replacing the blower assembly on a Broan PM390SSP. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that the power is disconnected to the unit, and you want to make sure that you have your safety protective gear on. First step is to remove the filter. Next, we'll be removing 3 screws. These screws are one here on the left hand side. We have a screw here on the right hand side. And we have a screw down on the bottom, which would be the top if this was mounted in a cabinet. Now I'm going to go ahead and take these 3 screws out. Now that the 3 screws are out, we can go ahead and we can lift up this cover. And this is the blower cord. This goes to the main blower. This is a quick connect. You just squeeze it and pull it apart, and we can put this grill assembly to the side. Next, what we are going to do is we're going to remove 4 screws on the top of the unit. And once those 4 screws are removed, the blower will come right out. And there you have it.